right, welcome back. You're picking a great week to tune in. This week, we've got some of the best variety of new rides on the lot that I think we've had in a while. I'm excited to show you guys all these new rides, and again, they are new to the lot. So new, in fact, that they're not available yet. That's why this is a sneak peek video, and because they're not on the market yet, they've also not been priced and won't be until around noon on Monday, which is when these rides will hit the market. So you can head on over to maplemotors.com around midday Monday, get prices and all the info you want to know on these rides, 100 detailed pictures. But right now, we're going to take an exclusive first look at all these rides before they become available, so you know what you're getting into when the week starts. And although you're getting an early first look, you can see these sneak peek videos even earlier by becoming a channel member. You get early access to the sneak peek videos, and the early versions of the videos also feature the Lot Walk girls as an added bonus. So to become a channel member, you can scan the QR code on your screen and follow the sign up instructions. I'll also put a link in the comments below. So let's get started. We've got several new rides in the front row. We're going to start here at the end with this 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Let's take an exclusive first look. Moving on down the line, you're looking at a 1969 Buick Skylark. Let's take a look inside and out and under the hood. And right next door, we got a new 1969 Chevy Chevelle on the lot. It's an automatic. Let's take a look. And up next, the king of the streets, a 1970 Chevy Chevelle. There's something about that blue paint scheme with the white stripes and the black vinyl top. That's just a color scheme that's hard to beat, in my opinion. Let's take a closer look. To finish out this row, something a little newer, a 1978 Chevy Corvette pace car. Got a couple new rides in this row. First, a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. And then next door to that, we got a 1974 Chevy Camaro. And we didn't forget about you truck guys. Got a 1971 Chevy C10 on the lot this week. Let's take a look inside and out. And lastly, let's take a sneak peek into the showroom. Alright, as always, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. I'm looking forward to all these test drives. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the exclusive first look at all the new rides on the lot before they even hit the market. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.